Across Homework for Life by Matthew Dix, and I liked it a lot, so I went ahead and made a Notion template for it. If you don't know what Homework for Life is, it's basically um, a way to capture down ideas, basically a 5 minute daily routine just to talk about a few things that happened in your day as a way to remember your days and make memorable moments of them. Something happened, something unique happens every single day, and a lot of times we forget about that small little interaction with someone at the store that made us laugh or made us smile. So he made this as a way to capture those moments, remember them, and keep them over the years to look back on and be happy about. So I made a little about it, instructions on how to use it. It's pretty easy. You could customize it however you like. Once you duplicate it, you could delete all this stuff above these lines once you start. And here's what you'll be making. This is a weekly view. It'll refresh every week, and then you have the full database right here to look at. But you'll have the date, you'll have the story title, so I haven't finished today, but I will. And then you write your notes in it. I was at the library yesterday making this template, beginning on it. Saw a random kid, fun time. You say your mood, what you ate, um, and whatever you want in here. I have learned, meditate, walk, workout, read, and love. So, and then inside of each of these, I made a fun little custom AI block which will create stories based on what your day was. So basically, this block says, write a story for today using the information in this page. Make it true to what is included and emphasize how it makes me unique. So, what it wrote for me was today was a day of unexpected surprises, both good and bad. I spent the day at the library creating a new template when I was followed to the bathroom by a random kid. To my surprise, he beat me there, even though he didn't even have to go. We both laughed about it, and it became a memorable moment. Just a funny story of this random kid at the library that saw I was walking to the bathroom, so he kind of followed me, but he like raced in front of me just because he knew that's where I was going, and he was bored. Throughout the day, I learned a lot about myself and how to handle unexpected situations. I discovered I am able to find humor in even the most mundane situations. I also realized that I'm easily able to adapt to changing circumstances. So this is just the AI, what it generated based off of my notes up here, and just off of this short little thing, and then whether I read, worked out, that stuff. Despite the gloomy weather, so that's a tag, my mood was fulfilled, which is a tag. I found myself reflecting on the events of the day and feeling grateful for the unique experiences that make me who I am. So you could use this or not. And then here in every new day, it tells you what you could write about. So I'll go ahead and make a new day just to show you how it works. All you do is click add today, and that will automatically fill out today's date. And then you just put in whatever you want. Today's sunny. I already made one for today, but make it again. Uh, I've eaten healthy so far, and you could add whatever you want. Uh, haven't quite done those yet. No. My water intake has been enough so far, and I did work out this morning. I'll give you an example of how the AI will write. Um, saw a saw a cardinal on our bird feeder and smiled. So based on that, we'll see what the AI writes for me. So all you have to do is press generate here. You could fill in, you could change the template and make this. You'd say make a creative story, make a poem. We'll see short story. See if it mentions something about the cardinal. Uh, yep. As I made my way to the kitchen, I caught a glimpse of a beautiful cardinal perched on our bird feeder. I couldn't help but smile at the sight, feeling grateful for the little moments of joy that make life unique. And you could edit this story however you want, obviously. Um, oops. Oops. Or regenerate it. And yeah, that's it. So basically, where these stories will stay, I'll date this a few days ago just so you could see um, a little of how it works. So you make that, come back here to the home page, and then it has that story. You could also change the picture of this by opening up that page, and I'll put a bird here since I said I saw a cardinal. Uh, that one, I like that one the best. And then I'll show it here. And it does it in a descending order, so it starts on today and then it goes down. And then here's the full database, which once they're done with that week, they won't show on the previous page, but this will show all of them forever. And you could also, that's where you could come in and change or add things to here. And you say, did you make a checkbox and say, did I swim? And you could add in there, and then that way you keep track of your days, keep track of your tasks, and using the homework for life method. It's a fun way to do it. So I'll put the link somewhere in this video. You could download it somehow. I'm not sure yet. I just made this. I might edit it a little bit more, honestly, or I might keep updating it. But yeah, check it out if you like homework for life. Peace. Additional resources, I put the books by Matthew Dix, so you could come here and check out uh, just the books, and you can buy them on Amazon if you want, and then a little summary below each of them. So there's a decent amount. There's like 10 of them here. And then also videos by the creator of Homework for Life. So he's done a few, here's some of his live poetry, him reading of his personal stories, and then he's done a few TEDx talks. So you can check those out here. And then this is him on a podcast talking about his story more in depth. So that should be it. Check out this template if you want to start making your story for life. Peace. And one more thing, for those who are new to Notion or maybe haven't used it before, all you do is, for these ones that are mine, you just click on that and then click delete on your keyboard. Delete there. And then that way you have a brand new thing. You just go in there, you press add today, and then it'll start on whatever day you're on. You can do all your stuff. Have fun. All right, this is the last time. Hopefully. Peace out.